Welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Creative Mary again. So this is pre-listing preparation for the Wcoin listing. The Wcoin has not listed yet, but they've brought out the pre-listing tax for you to go through. Okay, so you need to go through the pre-listing tax and then you perform all the tax and be ready for the listing. So this is more like a preparation video tutorial on how to go about it. Okay, so what you need to do first is to click on tax. So what you want to do next is to click on the pre-listing. Look at the pre-listing, click on it. So these are all the pre-listing tax. All the pre-listing tax you need to perform for you to be prepared for the listing. So you click on the first one and then you perform the tax. You click on follow BitGet to get Wcoin. So when you follow BitGet, you get Wcoin. All right. So when you finish following BitGet, you go to the next one, which is play Burger Blast, and then Cricket Empire. You play it, and then you're going to be given Wcoin tokens. All right. So that is how to go about it. So the next thing for you to get prepared is your BitGet exchange, because Wcoin has partnered with BitGet exchange. This is the first exchange they are partnering with, BitGet exchange. So you need to go and prepare your BitGet for you to be eligible and ready for the listing. So what if you don't have a BitGet wallet? You just go to your Google Play Store. So this is your Google Play Store. You type BitGet. So mind you, there are two types of BitGet. There are two types of BitGet. So the first one is this one here, which is BitGet buy and sell crypto. This is the BitGet exchange. When you scroll down, you see BitGet wallet. So this is the BitGet wallet, but you are not downloading this BitGet wallet. You are downloading this particular BitGet buy and sell crypto. So when you download it, if you have it, there's no problem, but if you don't have it, you download it from your Google Play Store. So if you have opened it from your Google Play Store, it will land you here to bring you to this interface. So what you need to do next is to get your BitGet verified. So you click on this icon, this profile icon here, click on it. So mine is verified already. So if you want to verify yours, you just click on this arrow, click on it, and then you go straight to identity verification. So click on this identity verification. It will take you to where you're going to go through some processes. All right, you follow the instructions, and then they'll demand for your valid ID card, which is a government approved of a government permit ID card. Either use your NIN, your driver's license, or your international passport. Okay, once you are verified, then you are automatically prepared to receive the Wcoin tokens, okay, when it is listed. So as of now, Wcoin has not listed because they've not partnered with other exchanges, but we hope and pray that they will partner with other exchanges pretty soon so that they'll get this listing done and dusted. Okay, but they've partnered with BitGet as their first exchange. So if you're using BitGet, you need to get yourself prepared. So if this is the first time of coming across my video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment on it. And so thank you so much for watching to the very end. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.